Good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another episode of Oxman Garage. On today's episode, what we're going to be doing is going down to the local Cars and Coffee. I know it's kind of a little late, it's like 10:30ish or so. I mean, they are there from 8 to noon, but this is kind of the time that it starts dwindling off. But we'll go down there, check it out, see who's there. Maybe nobody will be there, maybe somebody will be there, maybe a bunch of people will be there. We'll find out. In any case, we'll take it out the El Camino and enjoy the day with that. So whether or not there's nobody down there, it's still a good day. And then after that, I need to get the air put back in the tires of my trailer. I don't know what happened, but let's go run over and I'll show you. Well, as you can see, it's been here like a couple of weeks. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. This valve stem came out on me. It had dry rotted. So this one has a metal one, and I put a brand new metal one, but there was a rubber valve stem in there that had dry rotted and let go of me while I was towing my last car. So today I'm going to see if I can jack this thing up, put a ratchet strap around, and I have a can of air. I don't have a Cheeto, which will go whoosh, put a whole bunch of air real fast into it, but I think if I ratchet strap the sides, if I ratchet strap the tire and it'll bring the sides in, I should be able to get air into that tire. We'll find out. We'll see if I am successful or if I fail in my endeavor. But the reason why we need to get the air back in the tires for a couple things. One, I can't have it sitting there like that. Two, I'm going to be picking up a car from the port. What car, you ask? That is something you're going to have to wait and find out. What could it be? Could be anything. It's coming in from Japan. That's the only guess I'm going to give you guys. But let me know in the comments what you think is coming in from the port. First things first, I got to get the Mercedes out of the El Camino, get that thing out. So I got a real treat for you guys. We're going to get a cold start on a 2008 Mercedes-Benz C300. And now, a cold start of a 1969 SS396 El Camino. One of the things I love about living here in the beautiful state of Maryland is, well, living by all that beautiful water. Cars and Coffee. That was very enjoyable. I got to see a whole bunch of different cars, and we came in right at the right time. Honestly, we came in at the perfect time because that's when people were still coming in and starting to leave. So we actually got a spot right in the front too. Alright guys, so we're back home. Had a great time at Cars and Coffee. What did you guys think of all the cars there? Absolutely awesome. I'm also going to be posting some stills up on Instagram here throughout the week or so. So let's get to the trailer. So what I am doing is I actually have the jack in the back of the Mercedes right now. So I am going to go drive the Mercedes back behind the trailer to make it easy, so I don't have to move very far. Honestly, one of my favorite jacks of all time is a snap-on jack. And this is not product placement, but hey, Snap-on, you listen. Call me. Alright, jack up this trailer. Put this out of the street. We're gonna get that pressure off of that back tire, and also enough room for me to get a strap all the way around this one. So let's go grab that. Get rod strap and get that air. All right, so what we're gonna do is take the ratchet strap and put it around the tire, and what that will do is create you know, tension, I guess you could say. But what it's going to do is push the tire back around itself. So right now you can see that this tire is obviously off of the wheel itself. So now I got the strap all the way around here. So I'm going to start ratcheting this up. Very awkward scenario right now. Let's do this. Now that I got that all the way around, let's put this back down. To prevent the tire from moving. Cool. So now, if you look at it, see the tire now is closer up to the wheel. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to go get a core real quick. I need to get a core removal tool to get that core out of there. So air has a much quicker way to get inside. So I'll be right back in. Alright, I'm back. Get that core out of there. This will definitely help with pumping it up. And I don't know if this is really going to work. So, you're going to find out when I find out. Let me go get the air compressor on the jump box and see if I can get any leeway with that. Got my nifty little air compressor. I will take the core out for this one again. See if I can get it to go. it's not pumping up. To the point that this is turned off once to tell me nope. So let's just turn it off because it's already turned off by itself once. So I'm not gonna be able to do what I want to do. That's really annoying. So what I'm gonna have to do with this is obviously the ratchet strap isn't getting this tire, like, yeah. Oh, it was seeing a little bit. It would take a while. So I'm gonna try to do two things. One, maybe I will take these wheels off and just take them to a tire shop where this will literally take a minute to do each. So I got two tires. I got one that's really low in air, but this one was bad because, like I said, the core had come out of this one. I mean, the whole stem, I shouldn't say even the core, the whole stem came out of this one, broke off. So obviously from dry rot, but I need to take care of this ASAP. This has to happen this week. So next episode will be me taking these tires, these wheels and tires off, which is a pain because these are old style. So you just take these bolts off and the whole thing comes off. These just hold it in place and kind of like sandwich. So was trying every second or any ability for me not to have to do that. But maybe if I have to do that, maybe I'll paint the wheels. I mean, not these, but I'll at least do the two. Since I already gotta do it, I might as well, right? So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll take them off and paint the wheels. What color should I paint them, guys? Let me know in the comments below what you guys thinking. I already have a good idea of what color I want to paint them, so surprise for you guys. Well, this is going to effectively end today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Like squad, please go smash that like button for me. But just like that, the vlog is over. Peace out.